Hi everyone, my name is Kaan Kuruzumcu. I'm a first year student here at Loughborough University. I'm studying automotive engineering and I have a business proposition that I would like to share with you. So, before I've started university, I've actually been working for an automotive magazine as well, and I've done some internships and etc. as well. And for you to understand my vision for this project, I think if I show you my CV and my history a bit first, it might make more sense from there on. So I would like to start there. So just to very briefly go over my CV, I think it was 2 years ago I started working with an automotive magazine called Auto Dergi in Turkey. I'm from Turkey. I reviewed over 100 cars. Most of them were actually electric because electrification is a pretty big thing in Turkey as well, and I've gained a lot of experience from that. I've done an internship at BMW when I was in high school. I've tested their M vehicles as well. I've raced for their racing team a while. After that, I've started a YouTube channel to give second-hand car advice, but then it got so popular that people started messaging me directly. So uh, I started a business out of that, and I've been doing that ever since, which is pretty fun. But most importantly, my first project was project Holding On to Life. Unfortunately, a friend of mine passed away quite a while ago, and after that, I've just been thinking about a way to make cars handle better and stuff. So I've devised an aerodynamic project which helps the car literally get stuck to the ground for road vehicles, and it helped with the braking distance and cornering ability quite a lot. I've presented that project at Harvard University and published it at some journals. It's actually I've sold the rights to it right now, but I'm still allowed to show it in my CV. So there's that. Then there's Project Toyo. It's basically a moving fuel tank for race cars. It has some use in road cars as well, but I mainly made it for race cars. So the fuel tank basically changes shape according to the corner that you're going in, so that the car can keep its balance and the weight on tires can be kept at a minimum all the time. So it was pretty fun as well. What I wanted to show you from this is I'm pretty serious with my projects, and when I do one, I do really go all the way for it. As for this one, I think this is one of the most important ones because electrification is coming whether we like it or not. But one of the main problems with electric vehicles right now is keeping the battery at the optimum temperature, which is pretty hard considering like in Sweden sometimes the weather can go to -5 degrees. And at that point, while the battery's health is definitely a concern. Most importantly for consumers, the range itself nearly halves itself, so that's not really helpful. And as the batteries keep on going even bigger, that will be even a bigger problem. And I've devised a system that is actually quite price per performance efficient and is pretty compact as well, which helps with cooling the battery when needed. And it can be used to preheat the batteries before moving so that the battery is always in its optimum efficiency range when moving. I think it will help a lot of people, and I think some automotive companies will be really interested in this. I currently have a company in mind, and I've been working with a friend of mine from UCLA in other projects, and we might present this project to Tesla Motors as well. I've been messaging with them, but there is nothing serious right now. Even so, just for my CV as well, I really want to make this project move on because I think there's a lot of value in it. And I think if you give me the funds to make it a prototype, that will make it even better. I think this patent will be sold really quickly. So I've been quite thinking about this quite a lot and I want to keep on working on it, but I'm currently in not a really good financial situation. So I will need some extra funding for this, and if you could help me with that, that would be really helpful for me. Thank you.